Very good morning, my dear friends. This is Arise Robbie from Masterminds, and today's topic is about the laughter meditation. Yes, my dear friends, laughter is something greater than what we call it as elixir. Man has only the tribute to laugh. So let's see about what is that laughter meditation, what Osho has introduced. Yes, my dear friends, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe, and let's move on to this meditation which is called laughter meditation, which is introduced by Osho. Yes, my dear friends, what Osho has defined as mystic rose meditation. Talking about Osho was an Indian mystic and spiritual teacher who had a notable impact on Western spirituality as well as the New Age thought. What he did in 1988 is he introduced the Mystic Rose Meditation. This Mystic Rose Meditation is a 3-week process which has been split up into 3 such processes. So laughter, tears and silence. The very first week, it involves 3 hours of continuous laughing, non-stop and for no reason. It starts with your hoo, something like that. So the first week, it involves a total laughter. The second week is for crying, also non-stop for 3 full hours. So continuous crying. The third week is for active silence, full of silence. And many thousands of people participated in this Mystic Rose meditation, and still it has been practiced in Osho's International Meditation Resort, which is in Pune, India, and has been practiced in almost many parts of the countries all over the world. Yes, let's see about what is this something myth hidden inside laughter, and how does Osho define this particular laughter. Yes, my dear friends, what Osho has introduced and what he says about laughter is human alone has this advantage of laughter. No animal, it is no one has this tribute. So laughter is one such medicine which enables one to reach the highermost part of the consciousness. And he has defined laughter in such a way that laughter is the best medicine. If you can laugh when you are ill, you will get your health back sooner. If you cannot laugh, even if you are healthy, sooner or later you will lose your health and you will become ill. So while you're laughing, you cannot be in the past or in the future. What he says is, laughing alone will make a person to be healthier and also to stay in the present and not worry about the past and also have more expectation about the future. So this is how Osho has defined about laughter. Yes, my dear friends, what he says about laughter is the prayer time. Yes, why is it is called as the prayer time is a big thing. Because only man is capable to laugh. That means laughter is the highest point of consciousness, the highest point of understanding, the highest point of evolution. And that's why he has stated calling laughter as the prayer time. Yes, it's one such kind of prayer which makes a person to reach the highest point of consciousness, the pure consciousness. Yes, my dear friends, almost one more definition which he has added is, one just needs a little alertness to see and find out life is really a great cosmic laughter. Why this word cosmic? Now, I like to touch upon what Pythagoras has termed. The word cosmos itself was first coined by Pythagoras. When he was talking about universe, he termed the world as harmonious universe, which he called as cosmos. Yes. How many of us in this world now, we look for harmony within us and harmony is prevailing around us? It's a very big question mark. So man has forgotten to smile, to laugh, just like animals in this materialistic world. He is too busy and he is full of stress and he is totally out of consciousness. To get back into the conscious level, there is a need of love. And that's why this laughter meditation, what Osho has coined, had a greater impact in the Western culture. Yes, my dear friends, laughter a man's tribute. The world is already burdened too much to not burden anymore. Give a little laughter to make it happier, lighter, safer and greater. that you can contribute as a tribute in this lifespan. Yes, my dear friends, laugh so that your laughter should not irritate others. Your laughter should not be an issue to others. Your laughter should satisfy yourself, should bring happiness within yourself, should bring peace within yourself, and also to the people who are surrounded you. Yes, my dear friends, thank you for watching this video. Stay with us connected by subscribing Arise Robbie Masterminds, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.